Welcome to y'all Automotive Reviews. Finally, the 2021 Ford Bronco production is underway. This is good news, folks. Take a look at these beautiful rigs. Fantastic. Yes, production is on the way. The new Ford Bronco. And just about everything going for it. I mean, it's an awesome SUV. It's got an awesome heritage. It's got an awesome history. And the world is waiting to take delivery of their Ford Broncos. But however, there have been production delays. 2-week shutdowns of the Michigan assembly plant in Wayne, Michigan was announced, and everybody was just uneasy and not feeling well. And boy. But you know what? Ford pulled it off, and they have confirmed that the production of the 2021 Bronco is underway at the Michigan assembly plant, and that both of the four-door variants are now on their way to the Ford dealerships around the country. And this means that initial customers will be able to take delivery of their Ford Broncos, which is just awesome. Awesome. And it should be happening within the next weeks. Great news. Great news. Awesome news. Now, over 125,000 orders of the 6th generation Bronco have been placed, and more than 190,000 reservations have been logged in North America, Canada. Now, Ford spent $750 million on upgrading the Michigan assembly plant, and it created 2,700 new jobs, which is just awesome, fantastic. Now, fans have been waiting for the Bronco, and you know what? We're excited, and then these are some awesome looking rigs. There's some awesome, awesome people putting names together, and you see people working, and you see people from all walks of life just in there, just making it happen. Now, we know that fans are excited, and boy, oh boy, can't wait to get to go over the GOAT mode, the GOAT heritage, and have leveraged the brand, built wild innovation, the design, the durability, and the way everything comes apart, the way it's so easy to accessorize. It's so easy to take the fenders off, and it's so easy to take panels loose and put them back together. This is just awesome. I mean, it's almost going to be like owning a Lego, perhaps. But it's going to be fantastic, folks. Way back in 1965, the Michigan truck plant started production of the original Broncos. And over the next 30 years, Ford produced over 1.1 million Broncos, spanning from 5 generations before the nameplate began its hiatus, which means its long vacation. Now, with over 200 factory-backed accessories, the Bronco Ford built over 1.7 million square foot modification center alongside the Michigan assembly plant. Now, options like the graphic package, the roof rack are added in that particular place. And this is why the Bronco is going to finally hit the road soon. Ford is going to celebrate the launch experience online. Previous reports suggest that some Broncos, like the 7-speed manual, the Sasquatch package, will only reach customers in the 2022 year. Now, it's nearly a year since the Bronco reveal, and for many, the wait is going to be finally over. People are going to be taking delivery of their Broncos. You're not going to be able to take the smile off their faces. I mean, this is just awesome times. Awesome time that a lot of people get jobs, 2,700, and people are working and putting their sweat and into building these SUVs, and building a Ford Bronco. You guys, today Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. And again, if no one told you, I'm telling you, you guys are fantastic. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, Automotive Reviews.